Hi guys, this is Winner. Welcome back to the channel. Today is our sixth video on this series, and today we are going to talk about how to accept data with input dialog. How we use dialog to accept data from a user or from the keyboard. Before you can accept data with the dialog, you need to import the JOption pan API using the syntax that I'm coming to write. Before you can accept user input with the dialog, you need to import Java sorry Java dot string dot star. Let me show you some. You can import only the Java. You can only import the Java. The purpose of this import is to inform the compiler that the program is using a class that is defined by the Java API called JOption pan. This Java.string, it contains thousands of classes. Java group them into manageable group called packages. The package that contains the JPan class is named Java.string. So this Java.string is the package that contains the JOption pan class. So you can import all the classes in the Java.string package by using the syntax. So instead of calling this JOption pan in this package, you can import the package like this, and it will contain all the classes in it. It contains a lot of classes. So if you import it like this, then it means you don't have to call it one by one. It will work alright for you. But note, you increase the size of your program when you import class that but you don't need. If you import it, like you increase the size of the program. So it's better you import only the classes that you need. So to use the import dialog in your program, all you have to do is, so let me comment all these stuffs. We will use them, so let me comment them at the moment. So to import it, let me make it enter name equals to pan show input dialog enter your name. Then you terminate. Note one thing is, sorry, I've been making a lot of mistakes. Why? The import dialog accepts string input only. You can however pass the string value to get either integer double or float. So this jpan, it accepts only string. So before you can use it to accept a number which is an integer, a double or a float, this is how you do it. Int, let's say s. Okay, let's deal with the string, then after that we deal with this thing. To this message with the dialog box, as simple as j option pan dot show message dialog, then container message title icon. So this is the format, this is the like the skeleton of it. You have to call the j option dot message dialog, then the container that will display on your desktop, the message that will be on the container, the title of the container, that's the dialog box, the title of the dialog box. The dialog box is what I'm calling its container, so don't be confused. And the dialog box must contain an icon. So this is the format, how you call it, and it will work for you. So let me comment it down so that I'll write the real codes for you to see. Let me copy it and paste and edit it because can't type all again. So this one will be null because it has been already designed inside it. So the message that, sorry, let me do this thing here first before we continue with this thing. So string my name is equal to so it will be like my name is, then you concatenate so this is how the thing will be. So the message that will display inside the dialog box will be this my name here, which I've assigned it to this string, so I will call it here. Then the title is supposed to be a string, so let's make it my name, yes. Then the icon, so this giving an information, so let's make it like this. This one is option and yes, information message is here. So let me click it, and that's all. So you import the javas.string, then after that you assign a value to maybe the string that you want to use, but you have to use these keywords over here. These ones won't work if you haven't imported the javascript, so make sure you have imported first before you can use this. So j options pan.show input dialog, then I bring my string, so this will display what I want the user to see on the distance, so on the dialog. So after that I assign what the user will enter into this name, into this variable over here. So and then I call the variable inside the dialog box that I want it to appear. So let me run to that we all get what I'm trying to say. Yeah, so enter your name. You see a dialog box. Yes, so enter your name. Then let me winner. I click OK. You see my name is winner. As simple as that. So it's not any something that's difficult or something. So let me comment this one. Let's use numbers to try hands on that one. I will show you something. So as I was saying, the input dialog accepts strings only, does not accept integer. That automatically doesn't accept integers, float or double. However, you can pass the string to either integer or double. So this is the only way you can do it. So let me uncomment this. Let me change the okay, let me make it num1. Yes, so let me clean this because copy, let me paste num1. Yeah, so let me show you how you do that. Let me make this enter num1. Yes, so after I've passed this thing, let me change this one to enter first number. Then after you are done with it, then you pass it. So I'm coming to pass this thing, this num1 into this num1. So it's going to be num1 equals to int double dot pass double, then you call this num1 inside it. So you pass this into the double num1, so it will turn any number that you type here into a double for you. Despite this variable is a string, it will call it here and make it a double for you, which is an integer. So the same thing, we will do the same thing for num2. Let me copy and paste. So instead of this being enter num1, let me make it num2. Let me make here second number, and let me make here num2. So after that result will be equals to, let's say, num1 times num2, sorry, num2. Then I terminate. So all I will do is, let me clean this, let me clean all this. Let me copy this, let me cut it and paste it. So all I will do is with the same this thing, j option pan dot show message dialog. So variable over here, you just copy it and come and paste it over here, so that it's just a matter of calling the assignment in the dialog box, so that the result will appear in the this thing, but everything will be the same. So like this will be the title of the dialog box. So let me change it from my name to, let's say, calculation car. Yes, so as simple as that. Let me save it and run so that you see. So enter first number, I enter 4, enter second number, I enter 1. So it's 16. I make it multiplication and it's double. Let me run it again and see. Enter first number, I enter 4, enter second number, I enter 4, 4, 4. It seems our calculation is messing up. let's make it addition. Let's see. Let me run it. So it will prompt the user. It will prompt the user. Enter the value. This is why the thing is giving me problem. I should have, instead of calling num2 here, instead I forgot and then bring to here will be num2, and here will be the multiplication sign. So let me run it once again. Enter for first, for second, enter another 4. So 4 4 is 16. Yes, and let's change this and see. Let's make it minus and let's run again. Let's use the subtraction and see what you get. So first number, let's say 4, second number, let's say 2, and the answer is 2. So everything is working correctly. And so this is how we use dialog box to accept values from user, and also using the same dialog box to display them. So it's just as simple as that. So thanks for watching. This is what I have for you for today. See you on the next episode. Bye bye.